Hey, what's up guys? It's Cliff with Pink Flamingo Power Wash. I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. Today we're gonna be working in Odessa, Florida. We're gonna be doing a house wash. We got a big house here. We got a second job we're gonna be doing today, which is gonna be another house wash and a partial roof cleaning. Happy Halloween to everybody. Hope y'all liking the fit. You see it? The biggest flamingo around. Me and my boy Kerry behind the camera. Gonna knock out these two jobs. Y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna show y'all what we got going on. All right, so this is the house here. We just have a lot of cobwebs and algae built up on the soffits. The house itself is not that bad, but we do have cobwebs built up on the corners. Pretty decent sized house, but we should be able to get it done pretty quickly. We're getting a late start today. I had to get my pressure washer serviced because I popped the belt. So shout out to Pressure Washer Products for helping us get back on the road. We got some mud daubers on the corners right here, you can see. Over here is the worst side. You can see right here, a lot of algae. We got a lot of trees on this side here. So downstreaming is what we're gonna be doing. We should be able to get it knocked out easily with downstream. If not, we got a pump up we'll use for spot treating. All right, stay tuned. Y'all, so we just got the back of the house and the right side of the house sprayed. This is a big house, so we're gonna do it in two sections so the sun doesn't dry it up. As you guys can see, the sun is rising behind me and it's all right there on that wall, so we're not gonna let that sit and dry on that siding. So the dwell time is gonna be minimal, about maybe 3-4 minutes, and then we're gonna give it a rinse. If it's still dirty, what we can do is apply more mix, keep it wet. You already got it? You put on rinse? So we're gonna go to rinse mode, double back to the front, and finish up the two sides and do the mud daubers up front. All right, stay tuned. Alright guys, we just got done spraying from the front to this section here. Now all we gotta really do is go to from this section, go to the front, rinse everything, and all the hoses will be by the truck. We gotta do a lot of mud dauber removal by the front door. So I'm gonna show you guys the mud daubers, how they look now, because they're pretty rough. It's quite a few of them. And if you guys notice, I didn't spray no water, no SH, so it's this wooden door that's stained. It's a stained door. I'm stay away for that. I want no problems. So up here, you see got mud daubers on the corners right there, mud daubers. All throughout right here. Those things are a pain when I tell you. They're a pain, man. They're everywhere too. So we're gonna scrub those out with some degreaser to get them out of there. Same thing over here, look. So most people they blow those out and just let it ride and leave it just the way it is with the residue. I like to rinse it off so you get a full effect of the cleanliness. You know, you're not just blasting mud daubers and leaving the residue behind. Doesn't really do anything. You might as well just leave it there. So Carrie's rinsing for me, going to the front. I'm gonna grab the degreaser and get set up ready to go. When he gets up there, we can do the mud daubers together. All right, let's take a look, guys. We all wrapped up over here. Check out the front entrance first, where all the mud daubers were. Couldn't get that one in the corner. It was a little tough. We got some of it, but not all of it. But all these that were over here got cleaned up. Over here is looking good too. That was missing paint. That was not mud dauber right there. But yeah, man, looks good. Take you guys around the side. I had to come out that Flamingo, boy. That thing got hot. Started to sweat in that thing, boy. Let's see here. These gutters were pretty bad. So the gutters cleaned up really good. Probably gonna seal these pavers down the line. There's a lot of pavers. You guys can see you see the front, and you see all the ones back here. So they got a lot of pavers. That'd be a huge ticket. We're all cleaned up here. No streaks on the windows. That's what we want. All right, we already packed up. We're gonna go ahead and go straight to the second job since we got a late start. And we got a house wash and a partial roof cleaning. So we see y'all when we get there. All right, y'all, we at the second job. Right now we in Tampa, Florida. We're gonna be doing a house wash and a partial roof cleaning. This thing slide on my face, I'm sorry. The things I go through for you guys. Anyway, let me show you guys what we got going on. So we're gonna be cleaning this house here, wash it down, and you guys can see, let me show you how bad the algae is on the first story. So we got all that to clean up. All that over there. And then of the other side of the one story, which I'm probably not gonna climb the ladder today. I'm just gonna shoot it with my gun. I gotta be careful with these power lines over here. I hate shooting SH around power lines or anything electrical for that matter. So, but over here is pretty dirty as well. The house itself is not terrible. It's in a corner a lot, but it's not too much algae in here. You got, a few little dirt spots. The gutters need some washing. customer was gonna use wet and forget to get this done. You guys know that stuff is not reliable to use, especially when you're dealing with a lot of algae. I got Carrie wetting down all the plants before we start. She does have a few sensitive plants. She already moved them for us, but we're still gonna water down the rest of them before we start. So we're gonna go ahead and probably start soaping from the front of the house, coming this way, soap this side, that side right here. It's a tight fit on the other side of the house. It's hard to fit. Oh, look at that! Look at that flamingo! Look at this flamingo! My brothers. But yeah, it's a tight fit over there, so I don't know if I'll be able to get the camera in there to get some shots of that. But as far as everything else, it should be pretty easy, straightforward to hit. Alright, so we just got done spraying the first section of the roof, just the front first level. Now we're gonna go ahead and wash the house. Everybody's looking at me with this flamingo costume. This is what we're looking like now. We're gonna give it some time to do its thing. We're gonna go ahead and wash the house, and we'll show you guys a recap of the roof after. Just washed and rinsed 3 sides of the house. Carrie's doing the last side here, applying his soap. Like he's already soaped up already. All right, now we just gotta wait for rinse. All right. She said don't walk over there. That's a landmine area for her dogs. Yeah, so you better check your feet. we're done. Everything is wrapped up. Let me show you guys what we look like. So this is the back area here. Everything is cleaned up nice. Rinse the porch off. Got the gutters all cleaned up top for them. This right side of the house, or left side of the house, if you're looking at the front, was the worst. Had a lot of algae. That's all clean. Right now we're just watering the plants down one more time before we leave. Always make sure you do property protection. So I'm show you guys the roof that we sprayed. And that's the roof on that side. I'll show you guys the other side over here. Everything over here is drying up. Sun is on that side. Yes, sir. But all right, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hope I made y'all laugh in my Flamingo outfit. Make sure you like this video, man. Need some likes. Subscribe, hit the bell so you know when I put up a new video, and I catch y'all in the next one. Peace.